Hey guys, and today we'll be playing treasure hunt and maybe something else. And you guys here, you haven't seen for a while, but let's get straight to the game. Okay, we'll close the door. So
and I will be closing the door because there will be some friends playing a Star Wars game.
Yeah, Battlefront 1, if you have it.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get to it.
Owen's going to show me how to play for a little bit.
Okay. 2 surface, please. I have 2,045 coins. I'm trying to find... Oh, hi. Dude!
Is he digging?
Dude, I don't... Go to the treasure. Nice, okay. And I want to get that treasure that he just left. He just left a treasure over up there. And I tried to get it, but I couldn't. I might not even have enough room in the backpack. It's all the way up there. I can't reach it. Look. 2 surface, please. Where's that guy? Because I need to find his. Is that him? 2 surface. Okay, so I know this is his. I'll go here. Let's go.
What are you doing? Did you just swing it?
Goodbye.
Whoa.
Dude, I'm just going over here. Please say. Yes! Dude, watch this, watch this.
Bye!
Now I can't come up. Oh, backpack full.
Well, what's in your backpack?
Now my backpack is full. I don't want to.
Dude, I dare to dump people. No. In the hole. Remember you made slants in this hole?
Whee!
Is that yours?
No.
Dude, there's treasure chests.
Up here. But I can't make these blocks. I don't have enough storage.
Can you break them?
You can make them, but I don't have enough storage.
How long does it take? How long
Not
does it
that
take?
long, but... Okay, my storage is full. Let's go sell it for money. See, should I upgrade now?
Yeah. Dude, don't you know we're on YouTube, right?
Yeah. That's what I do, boy. Go on the side. You never want to go in holes that other people made.
Why?
Because they might have left treasure on the sides that you would be able to get, but if you were just falling, you wouldn't be able to get it.
So you should go in people's holes?
You should either go next to them or just make your own. I'll try, if they're like super low, then go next to them.
I'm gonna go too.
Next video. What's a rebirth? So let's go sell. Oh! Okay, let's get that real quick. Okay, I got 12 monies. Sell please, thank you. Where's my... Where was that thing? So I'll just take it right here. Which side? This side, let's go.
What can you do now?
Just dig. Look for treasure, buy stuff. Treasure. $14. Just holding. When after I get one more treasure chest, then we'll play them.
Get them 2. Get them both 2.
Or 2 treasure. Or 3.
You're lucky.
Jackpot.
One more treasure and then I'll win.
Oh my god! There's one down there. I'm not getting. How about that? Oh my god. It's that same one. Okay, so I have 2, 7, 3. We step. Let me. Why did I do that? Oh my god, I would leave. That's a rare and that's it. I keep getting epics.
You playing a different game? Yeah. Can I pick it?
Sure.
I want to play. Can you scroll down?
These are the most popular games.
What? How do you play? Go over. Go over. How do you play that?
Skywars is boring.
That.
Make fun of me?
No, that.
Let's make a fun hobby.
Yeah. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's mega fun.
Okay, let's do it. Dude, why did your mom say it's your last chance on the computer?
No, just my last chance. Bring it down here. If I'm not responsible for it down here, I can't bring it down here again.
Why?
Why did we found some pretty cool stuff in these drawers?
When?
Like last year. Where do you go? Oh, up here. Okay. This doesn't look mega fun. Dude. Wait, what? Oh, you have to jump up here? But how? How? Oh, did you go over here maybe? Oh, you can't climb up that. Oh my god, what? Abby, start. Okay, where do I start? Where do I start?
Dude, go down. There's an arrow.
What is that? VIP room. Literally, look, it leads up here, and then right here it says Abby.
Oh, and someone did something.
Sorry about that. I had to do something. Yeah. And we're not playing that because I can't even get. And so let's see let's play Jailbreak. Let's go steal some key cards.
What are key cards?
Key cards.
Oh.
Okay, let's go.
What do you do with key cards?
Rob a bank. Rob a bank.
Oh, dude, you just breathed in my
Happy.
What?
Maybe look, Ryan, maybe look. How does that work? Let's do this way. Wait, no. Let's go. Oh my god! 1% legendary. There's one legendary here. That one. Dude, what did I do? I just got bucks. And it's good, I guess. Oh, these butt cheeks. Oh, another bear! Another bear.
Dude, how many do you have to do?
I can't get bears, that's why. Donut, orange. I got one of the flippin' 6%. Dude, should I buy one of these?
Yeah, buy them.
No, I'm buying this one.
Yeah.
This is a tier 4. Back. Buy. I just bought it. Let's go.
Does it cost money?
Yeah.
In
Now I have
life?
$60.
Don't keep on doing this.
Get one also. No! All of that money. $5,000. And what do you give me? Nothing. $5,000.
Let's go. I don't feel like. Okay. How much money do you have?
$690.
let's get out from here. How do you open punching this? No! Go, go, go. Shit. Yes, I got it. Here. Let's go here. Let's open the gate. Go in there. Let's do that. Get in the car. I can't get out with the car. This is how you get out. Hello? Boys. Can you get in? No, that's so. Dude, go in the house. Go in there. I can't. I don't have a key card. Go into there. Oh, you're robbing the place. Get that card. Get that. But get that sexy butt. There's only 3. I got that sexy butt.
Woohoo, I'm on the street. And we have to end it. Wow. So, bye guys. I know that was short, but didn't have that much time. Well, see you, I guess. Bye.
Bye.